Hello, this is automatic gear shifter project for bike. Let's connect power to the board. First, it will display a logo and it will start initializing. It will initialize for 4 seconds to set x-axis value. Then it will ask for calibration. Press select to calibrate. Then it will display a gear and miles per hour display. Now I started my ride. As I am going really fast, as I am paddling really fast above 80 rpm, it is giving me upshifts. So as you can see, it went from first to second, second to third, and now it went to fourth. It will upshift till I'm paddling more than 80 rpm. It can go up to 6th gear according to my speed as well as my paddle rpm. Now let's check another condition, that is uphill. Right now I'm going uphill. The x-axis accelerometer will sense the uphill condition and it will send this data to algorithm. Then algorithm will change the threshold values for paddle rpm, and accordingly if my paddle rpm is going down, then it will downshift for few gears. Now you can see it's downshifting from 4th to 3rd, 3rd to 2nd. In between I went really fast, so it went again to 3rd. Now it is coming down, 3rd, 2nd, and now it's 1st, because it was really hard uphill road. This was for uphill. Now let's check for downhill. Now I have started downhill, and right now I'm not paddling, hence gear is also not changing. This is the requirement for derailer gear shifter. You don't change the gear if you are not paddling. Now I started paddling and I changed the gear according to the system. Now I will get upshifts because I am downhill. My bike speed is increasing. Accordingly, my paddle speed is also increasing. Yeah, right now I'm on top gear. Now let's check out some setup menu. To go into setup menu, press select button. It will show 3 options, that is hard, normal, easy. Press up or down button to go to that menu, and after that you can press select to come out of that. It will set that mode for you. Also, you can check some developer screen, that is you can check gear, x-axis and rpms. Here you can see current gear, which is internally calculated, which should match to the actual gear. Also x-axis value, that is road condition. Right now I am on plain road, so it's around 0. Also you can see front RPM as well as rear RPM. Thank you.